In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block out days on Square Appointments. When you're managing appointments, whether for a bustling salon or your own consultancy, there comes a time when you need to block out certain days. Maybe it's for a well-deserved vacation, an important personal event, or simply a day off for rest. Whatever the reason, Square Appointments makes this process seamless. Here's how to do it step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Square website. It's straightforward, just type Square into your favorite browser and look for the link that says Power Your Entire Business Vertical Bar Square. Clicking this will take you to their homepage, which is your gateway to managing your business more effectively. Once you're on the Square homepage, locate the Sign In button. This should be pretty easy to find, usually located on the top right corner of the page. This is your next stop on the journey to securing your day off. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email address associated with your Square account to avoid any hiccups. Following your email, you'll be asked to enter your password. Fill it in carefully, and then sign in to access your Square dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. The Square dashboard is essentially your control room. Once you're in, look for a button or a link that says More Tools. This will expand your options and reveal all the powerful features you have at your fingertips to manage your business, including appointments. Among these tools, you'll find the Appointments option. Clicking here takes you deeper into the scheduling aspects of your Square setup. This area lets you manage all aspects of your appointments, but we're specifically interested in blocking out dates today. Now, within the Appointments section, you're looking for the Settings option. This will take you to a section of your account where you can customize how your appointments work, down to very specific details. In the Settings area, find and click on Calendar and Booking. This area is packed with options for how your calendar behaves, how appointments are booked, and crucially, how you can block out days. As you scroll through these options, keep an eye out for Online Scheduling. It's under this setting that you'll be able to manage the dates you are available, or in this case, not available for appointments. This feature allows you to edit the date ranges you want to block out, ensuring no one can book you during those times. Now let's talk about what you're likely to see and need to do in this section. You'll probably encounter a calendar view or a list of dates where you can select the specific days you're aiming to block out. Depending on your schedule and needs, you might be blocking out a single day, several consecutive days, or varying days across several weeks or months. Whatever your needs, the process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. After selecting the days you want to block out, confirm or save your changes. Square might ask you to verify your choice, ensuring you don't accidentally block out days you didn't intend to. Before we wrap up, a couple of tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. Remember to communicate with your clients or customers about the blocked dates, especially if you're planning to be unavailable for an extended period. It's also a great practice to review your blocks regularly. Circumstances change, and you might need to adjust your available days accordingly. And just like that, you've successfully blocked out days in your Square Appointments calendar. This feature is a lifesaver for anyone managing their bookings, giving you the control you need over your schedule and ensuring you never miss out on those important personal moments. Whether you're taking a break for a day or a week, Square Appointments makes sure that your business continues to run smoothly even in your absence. Enjoy your time off with the peace of mind that comes from knowing everything is organized just the way you want it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll cover more helpful tips and tricks to manage your business efficiently with Square.